Hello guys, welcome to this Photoshop series. In this series we are going to talk about opening, editing and the saving in Photoshop. To open any document in Photoshop, you move to the file menu, you click on open or shortcut Ctrl O. Now I'm going to choose this image. I click on open. Okay, this is the simplest way to open any document or file in Photoshop. Let's talk about Photoshop being non-destructive editing. Photoshop being non-destructive editing means that you can edit an image without permanently destroying the original image. Alright, let me rename this image, this layer. Let me call it original. Okay. So Photoshop being non-destructive editing is all about the layers. Right now I'm going to remove this tree. Right now I'm going to remove this tree without permanently destroying, that is without permanently damaging this particular image. To do that, I'm going to create a new layer by clicking here. Here I have created a new layer. Right now in this layer, now I'm going to remove this image without affecting this particular layer. To do that, we are going to make use of the spot healing brush tool. The keyboard shortcut is J. With the help of spot healing brush tool, I'm going to remove this tree. Make sure that you click sample all layers. From here we increase the size. I will increase the size. When the size is enough for you, you can leave it. To zoom in and out, you hold Ctrl Alt and you scroll up and down with the mouse, or Ctrl plus. Ctrl plus is zoom in, Ctrl minus is zoom out, or Ctrl Alt you scroll in. Okay, with the help of spot healing brush tool, I'm going to remove this tree right now. Now I have to paint it. The only thing I'm doing here is that I'm just painting it. You just paint it. When you are done, you let go of the mouse. Have you seen it? Right now let me remove this place also. Okay, so this is it. So okay, have you seen how to remove any part of the image with spot healing brush tool? So Photoshop being non-destructive editing means that just like I have edited this image right now, I have not permanently destroyed the original image, which is this layer. So in order to show the original layer, I'm going to hide this layer, which is layer 1, by clicking the I button here. I've hidden it. So since I have hidden it, the original image is still what? It's still intact. I did not damage it. So that's what it means by Photoshop being non-destructive editing. Okay. Right now we're going to save this image. Right now, the one that we remove the background. To save file in Photoshop, you move to File. Save means to update already saved work. Save as means to save work initially. I'm going to click Save As because I have not saved this work initially. The file type I'm going to use is that I'm going to use .psd. Okay, let me give it a name. Let me give it T1. I click on Save. I click OK. So right now I have saved this file. I've saved this file as T1. So this is how to save file in Photoshop. Okay, right now we're going to talk about exporting. Let's say I've finished. Let's say that I only want to remove this tree from this image. So since I'm done, I'm going to open this layer, the one that I edited. So I'm going to open it. When I open that particular layer that I edited, I'll move to File. When I move to File, I move to Save As. So when you move to Save As, you need to choose Save As JPEG, which is this one. Save as JPEG. When you move to Save as JPEG, you click on Save. you are going to save it as JPEG. You can also save it as PNG or any type of file that you want. So JPEG is for e-document, that is for web or for social media. Yes, in this tutorial we discuss about spot healing brush tool. In our next tutorial we are going to talk about other tools in Photoshop and other components and the properties. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. See you soon.